The chicken like tasted rotten.
13.5-hour flight coming up.
You know what a rat is? Daddy ate it.
What?
Yeah, he did.
Hey, fucking in
Hey, we're out of here.
We're out. Get us home.
Big massive luggages and get out of here.
All right, is everything in your suit bag?
Yeah.
You officially have your custom-made suit.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing? Waking up from a nap or what?
No, I'm doing a puzzle.
Can you get it?
Here,
Open your mouth.
You go. Open your mouth. Try to get it. Here you go.
Can't get it?
I'll take it.
Did you get it?
What's
Airport tomorrow night.
Yeah, 24 hours from right now.
I love you.
Love you. Since this is our last few minutes, basically, in Thailand, we're still in Bangkok at the airport. We decided we better get some Thai food and some of our favorite Thai foods, the mango sticky rice and the pad Thai chicken. And so we got those, even though I can't eat very well right now. I'm sick. Sarah's gonna eat as much as she possibly can. This one particularly came with an egg wrapped around it, which means I'm probably gonna have to eat more of it than I thought.
That's true. It looks super yummy though. That was one of the best mango sticky rice that I've had here, and probably the worst pad Thai. The chicken like tasted rotten. It was really, I think they gave us the worst parts of the chicken. We got off the plane and our connecting flight left at 4:30, and we looked at our watches, it said 3:30. We're like, we have plenty of time.
Then it
We
switched
went to
over
the bathroom and then it switched over to 4:28.
The time switched.
Yeah, so we had like 3 minutes to rush to the
We were really
terminal.
running. We didn't turn on the camera. It was crazy.
All of
But
our
look at
friends
this.
were there waiting. They were on the earlier flight and they got us some food.
Look at how sweet our friends are. They got us hot food. There's fries here and sandwiches and drinks. Like,
So awesome.
So thankful for a good friend. 13 hours.
13 and a half hours.
13.5-hour flight coming up. 13-hour flight. This is what we look like right now. And
Next time we see us.
there you have it. Long
made it.
trip for us, short trip for you.
Oh,
How was it?
long,
Good.
uncomfortable.
Well, here we are. We made it to California. Last plane. Gonna take the kids.
So the week or the 10 days that my parents have been gone is over, and now we are going to the airport to pick them up. We all miss them like so much. It's fun to have a babysitter. We love the babysitter, we love her to death. But after a while, like, you miss your parents and you're like, oh, I miss my parents, and so you miss them obviously, and so you want them home. So we're all super excited to go get our parents back. Not like that we've lost them, just, I'm so confusing, I'm so sorry. All that needs to be said is we're going to get our parents. We're gonna find mommy and daddy. Ah, that's what mom. Yeah, we're just waiting for mommy and daddy to come, huh? They just got off the airplane, so we gotta wait for a minute for them to come. Hi guys!
Hi, Kiko. Oh, hi. Hi, we gotta get out of the way.
Guys, we gotta move.
Oh, it's good.
Are you so happy that mommy and daddy are back? Hey, what are you doing? Me and daddy just got off the airplane.
Tell mommy what's happening tomorrow.
How are you?
What's tomorrow?
What's happening tomorrow? I'm having a birthday.
You're having a birthday? Guess what? Daddy ate rat. You know what a rat is? It's like a giant mouse. A giant mouse, and daddy ate it.
What?
Yeah, he did.
Oh my goodness.
A frog? Oh, we saw a frog.
Mommy,
What?
you went in the boys' bathroom.
I did?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, I did. And no one even
She was
told
in the
me.
boys' bathroom? Why?
I was like, you went in and me and Aspen go.
I know, because I was like, I was next to my dad, and then I look up, and then I was like,
Wait,
You went in the boys' bathroom.
Lizzie was a little old.
it's opposite day?
Uh-huh.
Why?
You're a boy and you went in the girls' bathroom, and I'm a girl and I went in the boys'. I went in the girls' bathroom.
You're crazy. Okay, let's go, guys.
Mommy, there's a
Oh, good job, Kiko.
Hey, Kiko. That's the airplane we rode on as.
That's huge.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that's huge.
No, it's humongous. That's the airplane Mommy and Daddy were on.
See the airplane, Kiko?
That's cool, huh?
Puts in one.
It's a Chinese outfit.
Listen, you can wear that to school on Monday.
You can wear that to Chinese New Year. This one is for Danielle.
It's so cute. I would wear this tomorrow to school.
I like
It says happy birthday, Kiko.
So pretty.
Yeah, I like it.
Everyone give Aspen a hug.
Thank you.
Canyon, Canyon, tell Aspen bye.
Okay, good boy. Happy birthday.
Let's see.
Let's see, Savannah. Oh, that's such a pretty color.
Stand up. Let's just make sure. Oh, it's gonna be perfect.
Oh, perfect length. That is so pretty.
That's so Savannah.
For Asbury.
Oh.
Oh, what'd you get?
Oh, dude.
Flip-flop.
Are you
serious?
Come on.
So cool,
Dude,
dude.
those are the coolest flip-flops ever.
Now you can go salmon on your feet.
Oh, cool.
Like Christmas.
Kiko.
Oh, dude.
It's a dress.
It's your Elvis clothes. You can wear it to church.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Gigo. Do you know what this is? Can you say tuck tuck?
Tuck tuck.
Me and Mommy rode in one of these.
Wait, that's a tuck tuck?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes, it's yours.
Here, Az.
As.
Gigo, no, Gigo, that's Az's tuk tuk.
Oh, it's so cute.
Furniture bag.
Oh, how cute.
Allie and Danielle.
Yes! Elephant pants! I love them so much.
It's a tuck tuck.
I love it.
This is a wireless phone. It's for you to sing into.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, that's okay. Last, that's it. Thailand candy.
What are they? Gumballs? Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
Hello. Hello. You want to be? So how long have you been alive? Touch. 3 years.
What's your favorite car?
My favorite is called Tommy Bill.
Is it Tuk Tuk?
Yeah.
Daddy in his handsome new suit, custom made suit.
Custom made from Bangkok.
Woo! Look at that hot guy. He actually has a new one coming in 2 weeks.
Okay, here's mommy's dress. Look at that.
Look at these sleeves. Hey, they're fine.
I don't see any mail anywhere. Have you guys been bringing in the mail? Whoa. For 10 days?
10 days worth of mail out there. I forgot about
Go check it, Danielle.
And today,
I bet it's so full. Holy
today
cow.
after school, I'm like, hey, look, it's the mailman. Not even doing
And he's probably looking at you going, I wonder if they're ever gonna check this. How did that even fit in the mailbox?
Oh my God. Like,
Let's see. Oh my gosh. You have mail. It is so nice to be home. See our kids. What was that? And finally just be home with our family and just get right back to real life again, hopefully tomorrow. Gigo's birthday is tomorrow. So Canyon's gonna have a fun birthday. He's already crying.
So tired.
So one thing, you guys, that me and mommy found while we were gone all over the world, the other side of the world, is that no matter where you go, people are just so unique. People are unique. People smile, they make you happy, but there's so many people, so many people. We saw so many people, but we didn't see 2 people that are the same. No 2 people are the same, which means that you are unique. You're here for a reason, for a specific reason, and we just want to let you guys know that. If you forget about it, please remember that. Always, always remember that.
You are worth it!